What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking you through a beautiful condo here in Canton for just about $300K on the Lynx Golf Course. You have your own 2-car garage here right off hole 7, right, I believe, as well as plenty of guest parking. Good location in the complex. All right, so we're inside. This is a 1-story up ranch. So we go up there, everything is nice and open. At the top, you have your water meter here. It's good to have in the unit, as well as a nice storage. And into the garage. Good sized garage. We are up top. Right off the bat, beautiful hardwood floors. Nice open concept here. Take you here first, so we'll head to the bedrooms. Did a very good job with the updates. Nice updates with the fixtures as well. Fantastic kitchen, countertop, appliances. Pantry here. Good storage. Good depth refrigerator. Got good views of the course here. Of course, private. No pun intended, but you do have nice visibility and access. Good sized balcony actually as well. Mount a TV there, put a mirror there, put some artwork there. It's a nice spot. Natural gas fireplace. To the utility room. Furnace, water heater, and your own washer and dryer, which is always good. Good storage as well. Into the first bedroom. Did a nice job with converting this with, you have your full bath here. Ensuite. Matching the kitchen. Good sized room. It's right over the front door. Technically, bonus room, could be a bedroom. They have the Cali closets there as well, which is nice. Good touch. And into the master suite. Love the high ceilings. How do you guys feel about these for condos? I feel like that gives it a very nice look. Let me know your thoughts. Here they have slightly darker flooring. Of course, your Ensuite bathroom with the same countertops. Nice large shower. And this is one of my favorites, is this very large closet. Again, really good storage. I know for some people though, that's not enough, right? Need 2 of those. Great location for their price. You can't beat it. It's move-in ready. Thank you again for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one.